Papa, US citizen là, petit garçon.
Dad,
What?
I have a question.
Hmm?
If
USA.
you wasn't
USA.
like
USA.
a citizen, how did we get here?
What kind of question is that? You stupid?
I'm being serious. How am I?
You being serious?
Yeah.
You being serious? Serious is what you got on your phone. That what there?
No,
Serious.
not
What you asked me?
I didn't. How we got here if you weren't a U.S. citizen?
Of course they give me visa, stupid. I take a visa, green card, visa, shit. I came on a visa, they give me TPS. I came into work on the TPS. I tell them I don't want that shit no more. Give me my damn citizen. Now I'm US. Kunya, I can say America, America, America.
So I have a question.
What? Where you bum petit drapeau là, mal mettre comme ça, mal faire photo.
Who are you gonna vote for?
What you mean?
Vote.
Sweet me Kim get a voice, sweet me Kim.
No, Sweetbean can't be president
Who is that?
because he's not American.
What you need American president for? I not vote. I don't vote for people here. No country mal vote. My vote là. No.
You know that when you become a citizen here, you're not a citizen over there anymore?
Petit garçon, we don't know that. Immigration, they're stupid. You know, I smart the system. I tell them my name is Jean Pierre in America, but in IT my name is Jean Pierre Claude Jean Gilles Toi. Babrim, what you think your name is? You think your name is a
Andrew.
You think you know?
That's it.
Andrew what? Jean, you think his name is Andrew Paul? It's not Andrew Paul. It's Andrew Jean Pierre Charles Claude de Ted.
In Haiti?
And IT.
But I was never born in Haiti for me.
You don't need to be shut up! Let my foot parler, shut up! A foot américain mieux kounya, open a foot avec them. What foot
This is
shut
why I
up!
never talked
Shut
to you,
up!
bro, 'cause
Shut up! Shut up! A foot américain, mais quand on prison kounya, oui. I can go to jail now.
headphones.
He had. Oh!
What are you doing?
What's that? What's this?
It's my chain.
What's this? What's this?